And this one is all the receipt. This one, all of this, you see, up to the last of that white dress. These are all the one I send it to you. You know, this is only from one company I bought here. The bookstore are the only sellers of this Apple, what you call this one? And the other one is gold. The other one is I bought this all with Racer Gold and Apple. So you see, do you think this is not? Do you think this is not little? This is not too much. You see, you see this one. I have to send you all of this. Almost my money is class. Nothing left on me. You see, I have to be honest with you. This is what happened to me. That's why I'll become crazy, and I lost everything what I have saved for my many years here. See, this is it.